Hello everyone. Are you a busy working professional who dreams of helping others and earning extra income, but you don't want to quit your job? Today, I will show you exactly how to start your coaching business while still working 9 to 5 job. No quitting, no burnout, just a step-by-step plan which you can follow. Hi, I'm Meena Karmakar. I'm self-growth coach and best-selling author. So, reaching to your dream coaching clients while working a full time 9 to 5 job sounds impossible? It is not. And I'm here to show you exactly how to make it work. If you're like me, you have probably had moments where you think, I barely have time for my job. How can I possibly build a coaching business on the side? I totally get it. Time, energy, self doubt, they all feel like roadblocks. But here is the truth. Attracting your dream client is not just about having a fancy website or the perfect business cards. It's about connecting with the people who resonates with your message. And you can absolutely do this even if you only have a few hours a week. Absolutely, in few hours a week. Let's start with strategy stepwise. Number 1. Leveraging your social media. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook are gold mines for coaches. Post valuable content that speaks to your audience, struggles, and desires. Show up consistently, even it's just 3 posts a week. Number 2. Networking. This is huge. Join Facebook groups, attend virtual events, and connect with people in your niche. And don't overthink. Just start conversation. You never know who might need exactly what you offer. Number 3. Another great way to start is offering free workshop or sessions. I know, free. Yes, free. This gives people a taste of what it's like to work with you and build trust fast. But even more important that mindset. One of the biggest challenges is self-doubt. And I'm good enough, or will anyone pay me? These are the self-doubt we have. I also have been there, and here is a mindset shift that changed everything for me. Your 9 to 5 job is not holding you back. It is funding your dream. It is your runway, your training ground, and your safety net. I want to share an inspiring story here. One of my clients was working full-time job in corporates. She decided to dedicate just 5 hours a week to her coaching business, and she started by coaching a few friends for free, built her confidence and shared her wins online. Within months, referrals started rolling in. It wasn't magic. It was consistency and belief. So let's recap. Number 1. Leverage your social media. Number 2. Network intentionally. Number 3. Offer free sessions. And number 4. Shift your mindset. And most importantly, believe in the value of what you offer. This journey won't happen overnight, but every step moves you closer. Now, I would love to hear from you. What are your coaching goals? What is the biggest challenge you are facing right now? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, you don't have to choose between your day job and your dream. You can build both one step at a time. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.